somebody new, they always ask me, what do you do for work? And I go, oh, I'm a public speaking coach. And they go, huh? And then they say, is that a real job? These are normal people, by the way. And then I go, yeah? And then they say to me, well, can you teach me something? I say, sure. Would you guys like to see what I teach them? Yeah, you're a primed audience, so let's do this. We're going to do this together. Everybody just sit back. It's a sitting exercise, all good. Hands to your side. Palms in to out. Go statement. Yeah, match my energy. That's why we're just warming up right now. Palms from center here to out. Go trust.
Trust.
Up in the air like this. Go excitement.
Excitement.
Okay, let's do the exercise now. Palms down. I love speaking.
I love speaking.
I love to change lives.
I love to change lives.
I love to inspire.
I love to inspire.
I want to inspire you.
I want to inspire you
to change your life.
to change your life
Forever.
forever.
Before I go, would you guys like to hear 2 short jokes and a long one?
Yes.
Okay. Joke, joke, joke.
100%.
Yes!